Michael Uair Carja, na Sean scale a hug me Dave Riv na Lehan de Sierra. I'm gonna go Master Gasta quite fast here, but if you need to go back, there's a 10-minute limit on the video, alright? So if you need to go back over it a couple of times, that's grand, it's probably for the best. So an Uair Bhris Gadaí Isteach an Arjach, one Saturday night, Iha Hahern, H and I, keep an eye on my cursor here, Iha Hahern a wine on Gevrusha Katcha last winter, on Gevrusha Katcha, not Shahugging, and watch out, Katcha doesn't have a H on it. I was by myself in the house, vi me, not a ta in sight, the scale is always in the Aimshire Katcha. Vi me yum fein sa chach by myself, or vi me imainer sa chach, or sawalya. Hui ma hishmahori amach, my parents had gone out, now watch out for what I've underlined in green here. Hui ma hishmahori, check your spelling of tishmahori, does be messy. Amach guji bielin, they went out to a restaurant, or hig bielin, Chuig. In the middle of town, Ilar and Walya. Lenagarja with their friends, and that puts a wee oru onto your carja. Do you see the G? Lenagarja. So car is no good to you, that's only one friend. You want friends, carja. My friend Sheila went, hui ma yera for Sheila amach, or my sister, sorry, went out to the cinema. So hui ma yera for with a H after the ma, meaning my. Watch out for the spelling of Jerifer. You're forever spelling it wrong. It's IU fada, not the other way around. Hui ma yera for Sheila amach guji on Ficterlin with a H. It's never on Picterlin, it's on Ficterlin. And again, it's IU fada, not the other way around. Common spelling mistake. With her boyfriend. Lena Buchel, no H, Paulo. Vi ma yerahar Liam ag ober sa chach tavernia, and we had above ma yerifer, this is ma yerahar. My brother Liam was ag ober sa chach tavernia, working in the pub. So I was all happy by myself. Vi me gobra sasta, vi me lan sasta, vi me sonna sasta. Yum hain by myself in inár, maar vi me ag fake and share an telefish, or vi me ag arc an telefish. But will you watch out for your spelling of fakench? There's no such word as fekench. And when you're using ag fakench, you have to use it with air. Ag fakench air on telefish. Check your spelling of telefish. It has 3 I's in it. You'd be surprised. Agus ag ihe muscaloga, agus burger, and I was eating me chips. Muscaloga, normally mo adds a H, but not onto SC. Agus burger, now there's various different spellings of burger. I've seen it with an E at the end as well. But suddenly, Akatoban, hula me, I heard a turren ach, a strange sound, or hula me fuum ach, or fuum ashtach. Ashtach is strange as well. Upstairs, huastyra. Now it's not suis. If you're on your way up, it's suis. If you're talking about up there, it's huas. If you're on your way down, it's sheas. If you're talking about down there, it's his. I was scared. It's most definitely not vi me agla. Right, so whatever mohukan, whatever feeling you're talking about, vi agla orum, and again, not a ta in sight, vi agla orum. There was fear on me. So remember, agla doesn't mean scared, it means fear. So hula me dinja ag kainch, I heard a person talking, or hula me dinna ag lorch. Ni ro isagum kadayen hin, I didn't know what I was going to do. So I don't know, ni isagum. I didn't know, ni ro isagum. But see the is, folks, it actually begins with an F. It's not IS, okay? What I would do, kadayenhin, I helped you with that on your list of folklore, because at ordinary level you're not expected to know the conditional. So I took out my mobile phone, hog me amach my own poka, or hog me my own poka amach, or hog me my ruhen poka amach. But make sure you've put a H after moh, meaning my. And I sent a text. Now the way we say to send something is to put it. So Herme with a H. Herme takes hig Liam. I sent a text to Liam. Shin mo yerahar, that's the brother of Ag Ober Chach Tavern Yeshila. Dirch me, I said, gur cap me that I thought. Or dirch me gur heel me, SHI fada L, gro Gadaí Isteach. So there was a burglar in the house, V Gadaí Isteach. I thought that there was a burglar, the V changes to gro. So I said that there was a burglar, Dirch me gur cap me gur ro Gadaí Isteach. Huel me amach and Doris went out the door. Now, H in the past tense, 2 eyes on Shuel, so I'm sure catcha, not in the present and the future, but in the past. And I got my camen, me hurl. So fur me, ma camen. Watch out for the fur, it has an I in it. It's not fur as in cold. Ma camen with a H after the ma again. Hui me suas styra gomal. So I'm on my way up, so it's suas. Hui me suas styra gomal. Nice and slow. Vi an solas lasu, or vi an solas lasta. Shomra mahishmahori. So it's not in my parents' room like everything that goes back to front. It's in the room of my parents. Shomra mahishmahori with a H, and check your spelling of Tishmahori. Hui me is jocks a shomra shin. I went into that room. Hui me is jocks a shomra shin. Couldn't believe me eyes. Now, near Chredme Mahulia. So I believed Chredme. I didn't believe near Sanaim Shakacha, Chredme. It's not knee, it's near. Near Chredme Mahulia with a H after the ma again. Now, the cupboards were all empty. VVV, not a ta in sight. V na co-free. Now, you're talking about cupboards, so make sure you didn't write on. It's na for something there's more than one of. Hence the ifada at the end of co-free, okay? Golair, vina co-free golair follow, or vina co-free fad follow. Follow is empty. Again, I helped you with that on your list of folklore. And the clothes were on the ground. Vina hedi an talu, or vina hedi an erler. But because na ends with a vowel and adi begins with a vowel, you add a h into that to make it easier to say. Na hospital, na hedi, na na hoher, the patients. There was one window opened. Vi fuinio gawain oskelch, or vi fuinio gawain oskelche. Okay, with an e. I looked out, dek me amach. It's not dek me, it's not honig me, dek me amach. And any verb that begins with an F in the Aim Shakacha takes on a D apostrophe H. So dek me amach, and I saw, as a result of looking, I saw honig me dremera in aka and tea. Beside the house, I saw a ladder, a dremera, in aka and tea, or in aka lesh on chach. Chur me gleich telephone mahishmahori, so I rang my parents. Chur me scarch mahishmahori. Chur me gleich mahishmahori. Or if you want to show off a bit, chur me gleich telephone mahishmahori with a H after the ma. Agus na gardi, and I also rang the guards. Now again, guards, so it's na rather than on. Na gardi with an ifada. Ach an shin hula me skradil an moher. Or hula me skradil an woher. Down south it's an moher. Up here an woher. Okay. Reich me amach le machaman. So out I ran with me kamen, with me hurl. H after the ma. Okay. Vi liam ma yerahar. H after the ma. You should be getting used to that at this stage. Vi liam ma yerahar on. So my brother was there. Agus vi far an talu in Akalesh, and there was a man on the ground beside him in Akalesh. Now an talu. Tevishji an erler. Tevamwi an talu in Milat Norton. Honig Liam on Gadi ag chak the nuas and Dramera. So Liam had seen the burglar coming down the ladder. Ag chaked a nuas on Dramera. I helped you with ag chak the nuas. Agus nor hanig she makar and moher, and when he came out onto the road, or an woher in Gaelic kuig olu, Liam jumped on him. Orum on me, ert on you, on him, or he on her. Liam Thresh Tamil, after a while. Watch what's underlined in green here, folks. Hanig na gardi, agus mahishmahori. So the guards came. Now it's not hui, you want to say they came, so did your parents. Hanig na gardi, agus mahishmahori. The H after the ma. Hug na gardi. Are you seeing the same mistakes, the same potential errors coming up time and time again? So hug na gardi on gadi. Guji station Nardi. They brought him to station Nardi, to the Garda station. Will you watch your spelling of station? I fada, not the other way around. Again, standard mistakes you could be making all the time here. Hui me hanish jocks a chach. Myself, I went into the house, or hui misha is jocks a chach. Agus crackney me muscaloga, and I finished me chips. So crackney with a H, so I'm shakacha as per, and muscaloga my chips. And no H after the ma there, because you can put a H onto an S, but you can't onto an SC or an SM or an ST. Just watch out for that. So there's the same mistakes that you could be making there, and some of them, like the ma adding a H, if you make it once in that, you might have made it like literally 15-20 times. So you need to get to grips with wee things like that. That's what's going to tighten up the accuracy of your written work. Okay, folks, send me a pic of your corrections ASAP. Mai Shiv, Gur Maigav, Slán.